It's like the little cap, and then this is the bottle. Oh my god, that's so funny. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 3 of December 2008 tweak box. Tweak? I thought I said week and I said tweak, and I was super excited because I was like, this intro is going really well. I was like, we're not gonna have any screw ups for this video. Yeah, joke's on me again. So if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. I'm Drew. Box Week is the best week every month on my YouTube channel. It is the 1 week me and my YouTube subscribers spend 7, not 8, 7 consecutive days together, not 8. So if you want to be in my YouTube family because you just feel like overwhelmed with pity and love for me, click the red subscribe button down below and join our forever family because we're literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. Okay, so tonight we're going to be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which is this box right here. It's almost full of goodies. Once that box is full, we're going to be giving that away on my YouTube channel. Hopefully it'll be by the end of this month's box week. And today we're going to be opening a box that I was supposed to cancel 2 months ago, but I still have it because I have been overwhelmed with my life and I've not created enough balance to get everything done. But to be fair, I did have one person last month comment. They're like, Drew, we're going to give you to the end of December to figure this out. So I felt like they were speaking on behalf of my entire YouTube family, this one comment. So if you haven't already guessed, we're opening Sephora Play, which again, we are supposed to have canceled 2 months ago because the box is just not there with quality. Sephora Play is a $10 monthly subscription from Sephora makeup company. The reason that I'm not a fan of it is because the items they give out typically are gifts with purchase. There are much better subscription boxes out there that give much bigger value items, and a lot of times the stuff Sephora gives you are things that you already could get if you just purchase something from them or were in store or whatever. So I'm gonna open this up. I have it upside down because of the fact that my address is always on the front cover and it's like spilling everywhere because my bag's open inside. So this is just already a good one. So every month they give you a little booklet. And honestly, the best value of this thing is this booklet because you get a 50 Beauty Insider reward points. So basically this is going to allow you to go in store, buy something, get 50 bonus points to get like products from them of prizes and things like that. So this is the bag right here. First thing inside is Belief the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. Alright, so this is Belief Moisturizing Cream. I think I have tried this before. I'm gonna smell it. Can't really tell. I'm gonna put this into the giveaway box. I do have a decent amount of moisturizer right now, and I think I have tried this product before, so I would like for somebody to get to try this. This is a really good skincare cream. I will say I'm actually a fan of how much I've given out. I feel like this is actually a decent sized sample comparatively to what they usually give out, so that's good. Next one that we have is Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. So this is a skin primer from Too Faced. I'm going to put this in the giveaway box, but I do want to draw attention to the fact that this is like a really small sample. I'd prefer, if I'm getting a primer to try out, something that I could try more than like just out for a week, because as anybody would know, like any kind of makeup product or skincare product, you need usually like a couple of weeks before you can decide if it's actually working for you or not. But I do have a lot of primer right now, so I don't actually need it, so I'm going to put that in the giveaway box. Next one that we have is Lancome Bifacil Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. I'm actually going to keep this. I just started running out of eye makeup remover. Can we talk about how this matches my sweatshirt? So I don't know. I just feel like it literally, it's like the little cap. And then this is the bottle. Oh my god, that's so funny. Ah, I'm dying right now. So like we got... I don't know why, but that's just like really hilarious to me. Oh, that's an alarm on my phone. I'll be right back. An alarm on my phone went off, so that was kind of awkward and weird. Alright, the next item that we have is Gel Gloss Brilliant Ultra Shine Lip Gel Perfect Nude from the brand Sephora. So I've actually gotten this before, but I'm going to keep this because I really like this actual nude lip gel, and I was running low on mine, so it's actually really good timing, so that's good on Sephora. I can't seem to get it open though, so that's happening. Now the dog's barking. This video is just like, This is high-end, Just Like Drew quality. The Norm, honestly, I don't know why this box week is like, the struggle is so real, but it is. So we're just gonna go with it. Still can't get the plastic thing off. You know, you guys have made many suggestions to me of how I could deal with like plastic wrappers, and every single time I'm like, you know what though, I just feel like this video, it's gonna be fine. I'm gonna be able to open everything. And every video, I can't. In every video you guys are like, Drew, you know, you could do this to open. And I'm like, no, but this video, I'm gonna get stuff open. And then I still don't. So I mean, that was just added information just so you have it. So this is what it looks like, the nude gloss. I really like it. It looks really, really great on my skin tone, so I'm excited about that. All right, the next item that we have 2 more items in here. One is a Rouge Gel Lip Liner from the Sephora collection. It looks like it's the actual sample. So it's like they give out, that's the thing. They give out like sample sizes and then they're like, here's another sample. I don't know, it's just like, I don't know. So that's gonna go in the giveaway box. I don't wear lip liner. And then we have this Trestique Mini Lip Glaze. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. I don't know why, like this month I'm just keeping all the lip stuff. I don't know. I guess I just feel like I need some new lip products, even though I have an entire drawer right over there full of lipsticks. And also I can't get this one open either, so you know, that's happened. All right, oh, this color was not what I expected. Okay, look at that. It's like a little peachy. No, I don't know how I feel about that. Wow. I think it'll look nice. The problem is with me, I gotta be careful with peaches. Like either it's like great or it's like, what's going on with your life right now? Like what's the emotional things happening that made you come to the conclusion that you should wear that lipstick today? So that's where my life's usually at with peach colors. So to recap, we got the Trestique Mini Lip Glaze in Paris Pink, which is right there. We got the Sephora Lip Gel in this like perfect nude right there. We got the Rouge Gel Lip Liner, which is going into the giveaway box. We got the Belief Moisturizing Moisture Bomb Cream, which is going into the giveaway box as well. We got the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Primer, which is also going in the giveaway box. And then we got the Bifacil Eye Makeup Remover, which matches my sweatshirt. Oh my god, it's so funny, I just can't take it. So that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join the Forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 4 of December box week. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Goodbye. For it new, you'll get like a free gift. I want to say this month. I'm not for sure because I don't know how it works, because I just have like the referral link below. There's a chance that you might